Carlos, if you are going to be a healer, you better believe on that. I didn't understand the significance of what she told me. If you are going to be a healer, you better believe on that, until the crisis that we are living now in 2020. In 2014, I was talking to a very good friend of mine. She's the greatest healer I know in this planet. And I asked her, I told her, I don't believe on these dark energies, these entities, this dark world. She's a very beautiful and sweet woman, and she was very serious. And looking into my eyes, she told me, Carlos, if you are going to be a healer, you better believe on that. And then she added, because another question I asked, everyone who connects with the spirits, they don't know who are they connecting with. So, why don't you connect with the boss? After my friend told me, you better believe on that, you better believe on this dark world that is affecting us so much, she didn't tell me anything else. She's the way she has been training me, letting me find the things on my own. So I start asking God, please enlighten my life, my knowledge, and my experience on this subject. I decided to talk to a friend that knows a lot about this. He gave me some clues, some information, and told me to read a certain book. I read it, it was enlightening. I learned a lot. Then I kept asking God. And then I remember things that my Reiki teacher told me, and then I met in a dinner with my Reiki teacher. There were other people and told us a story that was crucial for me to keep learning on this so important and actual subject. Then a friend gave me a book, The Second Coming of Christ. And there are 3 chapters that talks about healing. I don't remember the first, but the most important, the ones that I read again and again, healing the sick and casting out evils. In this book, they talk about the healing work of Jesus Christ, and I learned a lot. After that, the information kept pouring on me. My clients were showing it to me until we got to that crisis. So what I'm going to teach you in this 19 or 20 pages supplemental manual is all the information I have collected and learned from all these great healers, including Jesus, including the teachings of Paramahansa Yogananda, and my teachers and mentors. I didn't understand the significance of what she told me. If you are going to be a healer, you better believe on that, until the crisis that we are living now in 2020. I am inviting you to my new revised and updated Reiki 2 class, where I'm going to teach you the deepest levels of energy blockages, the ones that are at the root cause of this crisis. Most healers, like my friends, who can see this spirit world, the good, the bad, and the ugly, they don't talk about that, and there is a reason. I don't see it either, but I feel it, and I can easily find it. And you can see the pendulum goes to the solar plexus. And then I ask, in my clients, I'm going to teach you in this class how to do it. And the reason I am doing this now and not before is because I want you to know what are the very deep root causes of everything that is happening in the planet, in your life, in your family, in your clients. With this knowledge, you will be able to do a better healing for yourself, for your clients, your loved ones, and also to facilitate the healing of the planet. No, we are not going to do it in one day, in 1 year or 10 years. This will take a long time, but we need to start one day, and that day is now, today. Besides the revised Reiki 2 manual, divided in chapters with new additions and corrected, I have a supplemental Reiki manual of about 19-20 pages where I am explaining in detail all these deep toxic energies that are affecting your life, my life, and the whole planet life. The ones that creates fear, anxiety, separation. Do you know what the word Satan means? Separation. The one who separates. What do you think is happening now in the world? A very distinctive separation. The blacks and the whites and the cold and hot and things like that. But in people there are separations. Besides the useless, nonsense separation of human race. In races, in creeds, in religions, in all that stuff. So the dark energies, they work on separating the good people. Because, if you remember Napoleon, divide and conquer, the militaries knows this from ancient times. You divide a well-formed army and you defeat them. The light workers, the people of the light, like you and me, we need to get together. Because, like in my country said, the brothers and sisters has to be together. Because if they fight between them, foreign people devour them. That has been written long time ago in an important literature piece in my country. So I invite you, whether you are a Reiki 1 practitioner, Reiki 2, Reiki master. And if you are not my student, as long as you have taken Reiki 1, you can take this special class. It's going to be on September 19th. It's a one-day workshop from 10 to 6. And what you are going to learn now, you will be applying this to improve your life, the loved ones, and anyone in your path. From this beautiful place in nature, God bless us all.